Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will model this part in AutoCAD. I am using AutoCAD 2018, but if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to AutoCAD. Let's go to here, New. Select this template ACAD and select Open. First of all, I will put off these grids. And you can see I am currently in 3D modeling workspace, so I will change it from 3D modeling workspace to drafting and annotation workspace. Okay, so let's select circle, center with radius, and I will make a circle having dimension 5 units. Let's move this UCS icon to origin, right click, select this option UCS icon setting, show UCS icon at origin. So it will be moved from here to here. Okay. Now I will make a line having dimension 17.5. You can see I cannot make a straight line, so I will put on this option ortho so that I can make orthogonal straight lines. Now you can see I can make orthogonal lines. So let's say this dimension is 17.5. Okay. Let's make another circle, center with radius, and this time I will make a circle having dimension 5 units. Okay. Let's make another circle, this time center with diameter, and I will snap its center point and I will make a circle having dimension 4 units. Okay. Now I will use array command and I will make a circular pattern of this part 6 times. You can access array command from here and you can access array command from command line as well. Let's go to here, array command. I will select polar array and it is asking select object. So I will select this circle and this circle, press enter key, and now it is asking specify center point. So this is the center point, and you can see we have 6 number of instances, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see here as well all the detail. I will close this array. I will delete this line. Now I will make another circle, and this time it would be 10, 10 radius. It is tangent to this circle, tangent to this circle, and its radius would be 10 units. So I will select this circle, 10, 10 radius. It is tangent to this circle, tangent to this circle, and its radius is 10 units. Now you can see your circle. Now I need similar 6 number of patterns. So I'll go to here, array command. I will select this command, polar array. Select this circle, press enter key, select the center point, and now you can see 6 number of instances. Now I want to delete the unnecessary portion so that I can complete my sketch. So for this I will use trim command, but before using trim command I have to explode this sketch because I cannot use trim command directly. You can see I cannot use this command directly. So I have to use explode command. I will select whole sketch and press enter key. And now you can see these are no longer array. These are separate objects. Now I can use a trim command. I will select trim command, press enter key, and I will delete all these which I don't want. I will delete these as well. Okay. Now you can see that it is a separate entity. It is a separate entity. I can use a command called join. For previous versions, you can use pedit command as well. It is asking select source object or multiple objects to join. So I will select multiple objects, press enter key, and now you can see that it is joined to one polyline. Now I will switch from drafting and annotation to 3D modeling. I will select this option, 3D modeling, and I'll go to here, isometric view. To convert it from 2D to 3D, I will use this command, PressPull. PressPull command will not work. Let's say if you want to drag from here or here, you have to be inside the contour. So I will drag it 2 units. Okay. I am currently in 2D wireframe. So I will change it from 2D wireframe to shades of gray. Okay. So that's how you can model simple objects in AutoCAD, and you can master your CAD skills in AutoCAD 2D and 3D. So that concludes this exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.